Kanye West rocking the Satoshi Nakamoto hat after the JP Morgan fallout. So some issues with his bank, and Kanye is now rocking a Bitcoin hat with the name of the founder on it, Satoshi Nakamoto. Welcome back to buying $1 Bitcoin every single day. Today is day number 1,358. Bitcoin current price $19,446. We're on a 6-month view here, and you can actually see just kind of going sideways for about 4 months now. Pretty boring price action. Still unsure if this thing is going up or down, so we just continue to dollar cost average. Another big news article says pretty much the same thing. Pay no attention to the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Anything can happen, but the future looks viable. We see major adoption from BlackRock, BYN, Melon, and Google. And if we take a look at some on-chain data, we basically see the same thing here. The amount of wallets holding 1 Bitcoin or more continues to rise. Currently over 909,500 wallets. Can we get to 1 million wallets holding 1 Bitcoin? That would be pretty crazy. So far in this experiment, we've accumulated 0.103 Bitcoin, about $2,017. Let's go ahead and open up Strike here. You can use this on your browser or mobile phone. Link in the description if you want to get $10 for free. Bitcoin current price $19,450. Let's go ahead and buy our Bitcoin today. Click buy, click $1. Next, confirm. Just like that, we purchased $1 of Bitcoin. You can see that in our balance right there. So basically, we're just buying our Bitcoin on Strike and sending it to our wallet. This website, Bitcoin viewer, loading pretty slow, but that's okay. We got about $2,017 in here, $1 in our wallet that we just purchased. So about $2,018. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $2,018 divided by 1,358 days equals a 1.48x on my investment. Doing pretty well there considering that Bitcoin is down a lot right now. Let's go ahead and do the dollar gain. $2,018 minus 1,358 days equals $660 gained. Can't complain, we're making money using a basic, almost zero risk, dollar cost average strategy. That'll do it for this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Check out the video on the end screen. If you enjoyed this one, you'll probably enjoy that one as well. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.